How's it going, folks? Welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be talking to you about one of the most revolutionary AI tools or platforms, if you want to call it that way, that will help you access multiple LLMs at once at a much lower price. So if you ever wanted to access Meta, Google, Nvidia, DeepSeek, OpenAI, and just test out different responses with the pro level models, you would have to pay $200 a month or more to access all of these. Well, ExpertEx.AI actually comes in and helps, where it's an all-in-one AI platform that provides simultaneous access to multiple pro-level AI models, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Nvidia, and a lot more, all under one subscription at the same price as just one of them. So instead of paying $200 a month, you can go ahead and pay $20 a month. So it's revolutionary. I've never seen something like this before. Now, if you do enjoy it, drop a like, and the link will be down in the description below for the platform itself. But let's dive into some of the key features, and then let's actually do a couple tests on the platform itself. So first of all, the multi-model responses are probably one of the key features of this platform, where you can submit one prompt and get responses from up to 6 AI tools at once. So AI, by tools, I mean different LLMs. So OpenAI, Nvidia, DeepSeek, and more. So you can compare the insights, the styles, and accuracy, and see what would work best for your specific use case at that time, and then go ahead and keep using it. Your prompt library is there with 1,000+ ready-to-use prompts, and if you have no idea where to start, the curated prompt library helps you get optimal results effortlessly to actually start cracking away at your problems. The one-click prompt enhancement tool is pretty cool as well, where you can literally just click and your prompt will be polished, as they like to speak. Seamless language translation, so if you want to type in a prompt in a certain language and translate into another, or if you want that language to be responded with, you can select pretty much anything you want within the tool itself. You have your customizable AI personas and settings, where if you need a marketing assistant, financial advisor, or legal expert, you can select from one of the pre-designed AI personas and have a specialized interaction. And if you are an advanced user of some sort, you're also able to fine-tune the AI settings, control the hallucination levels, as they like to call them. For those of you that don't know what hallucination in AI is, you should probably Google it, or ask ExpertX in your first trial of the platform, as you're clicking the link down below. And obviously it's tailored for work and personal productivity. So whether you're in a corporate workspace or working individually, ExpertX is there to provide a customized, effortless AI experience to boost productivity and unlock new possibilities. So hopping into the platform itself, I do have the pro version because I don't think it's worth paying $20 a month for ChatGPT when you can pay $20 a month for ChatGPT and all of these AIs that you can see right here. Next to all of the OpenAI ones, you have the Google, Hugging Face, Anthropic, and a lot of other options that you can always utilize yourself. So let's say we want to have a prompt down here. Let's go to the prompt library first of all. Let's imagine we're a professor. Let's imagine we're creating a content lecture, and let's have a lecture outline going on. Before we unleash it, how about we just hop into either 2, or if we want to, maybe use a different one from Google, we can use Anthropic, or if we want to hop into 4, or if we want to hop into 6 different AI versions. So the next one is going to be Alibaba. I've heard a lot of things about this one. Meta's going to be here. Google's good. Anthropic is good. And instead of Nvidia, we're going to use the Microsoft one just because I want to see how it works. So how about we create a detailed outline for a lecture on a certain topic for students in a year grade. So the topic, what we're going to do is going to be AI on or students in, let's say, grade 9, willing to learn all about tech, specifying key learning objectives and whatever. Okay, so let's just say we're doing this and we press the go button. So all 6 of them are going to respond immediately. All 6 of them are going to be very fast because these are multi-billion-dollar corporations, but you're going to see a slight difference in every single answer. Now, if you want me to deliver all of the answers that these AIs have given, I can do so. Just message me and I'll message you back and maybe we can get that going. But it's not that important of a prompt. I'm just trying to show you guys what you can actually do with this platform right here. So if you're trying to unleash a prompt that's very important for your finance department, if you want to check your capital budgeting and you go into one of the prompts for capital budget allocation or scenario analysis or sensitivity analysis, you can go ahead and see which AI works best before you present it to your CFO. Or if you're a marketer, you can hop into the marketing section, you can go into SEO and planning, and hop down into the on-page SEO optimization, where you can check out some of the prompts from there. So the prompts for personal development, for developers themselves, so if you're a designer, if you're a documentation expert, a data expert, API, everything is right there. And it is insane the amount of data that you get for 20 bucks a month. You won't get the same thing with ChatGPT. So if you want to check these guys out, links will be down in the description below. Once again, you have your 6 different AIs. If you want to compare just 2, you can do 2. If you want to do 4, you can do 4. And you are able to modify each of your AI temperatures. So if you want to open AI or modify your OpenAI, you could do so with a temperature, so controlling the randomness of the output, maximum tokens, so limiting the length of the response, top P, controlling the diversity of the output, frequency penalty, presence penalty, and so on and so forth. So if you have 4 selected, you can do the same thing for the 4 AIs down there: Google, Alibaba, Anthropic. So you can lower some of them and make some of them higher if you think some of them are stronger or not, or you could just play with them if you're a developer to get the answer that you are willing to get. It takes a lot of trial and error to get these AIs to work the way you want them to, but once you're actually there, you may have a kind of a home run situation where you have an AI that does exactly what you want. It's saved there with the prompt library. I strongly suggest you use the prompt library. You build up on the prompt, you put it into the 6 AIs at once. I would suggest OpenAI, Alibaba, DeepSeek for sure, Microsoft, Google, and maybe Anthropic, maybe Meta, depends on your preferences. Check out which one works best for your use case and optimize from there, or get all 6 results and plug in all 6 into all 6 AIs once again and see what they say about the results. So there's a lot of fun you can have here, a lot of testing. It's 20 years ago, it would take 100 humans, 100 years to do this amount of testing in this amount of time. But for you, it will only take a couple of minutes. So drop a like, subscribe to the channel, check out the links down below. A lot of other features that I will discuss in the other videos, such as translator, humanizer, summarizer, paraphraser, title generator, prompt engineer. But if you want to see more, drop a like. I'll see you all in the next one. And hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you, try a little bit of ExpertX on your own.